Hello, welcome back to Daniel's DIY channel. Today I'm up here on my roof of my covered patio. We were playing football a few weeks back and got a football right through the roof here in the corner. I'm going to show you how to get this one panel here replaced. Super simple. All you're going to need is these little screws. Takes a 1/4 socket and it has the little washer there to keep it sealed up so it doesn't leak. You can buy these at any home improvement store. And you'll need a drill or an impact wrench with an obvious 1/4 inch socket there. So we're going to start by removing all these old screws. So it's overlapped here on the edge here just by one screw. So we'll want to undo that one as well. And just keep going. Gonna pick up all the screws. So once you have all the screws taken out, make sure you get the ones that are under the overlap here. Had to come all the way up to this row and a little bit on that right side there. So you get those and it just slides right off. And we'll grab our new one and we'll put it back up here. We have our new one up here. We're gonna start by underlapping it on the right side here. And then we will push it up underneath the top. So once we get it laid down in here and lined up straight, we're going to start by drilling screws back into where it's overlapped here, since we already know where those screw holes go. And then we're going to look down the edge, and every time we see the little cross beam there, we're going to make a screw line right across on each of those. Here's the final result. No more hole. It'll be nice and dry for the winter. It's starting to snow again here. Just finally melted off the roof. It's been snowing here for the last month or so. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We'll catch you next time. Keep on doing it yourself.